Managing inventory effectively is the backbone of any successful retail or wholesale operation. To ensure accuracy and prevent unauthorized stock adjustments, our point-of-sale system features a robust automated purchase order workflow. In this video, we will walk you through how to configure your branch settings, communicate seamlessly with suppliers, and ensure your shelves stay stocked through a verified PO process. We begin with the branch admin. To maintain high data integrity, the admin first configures the necessary operational restrictions. This ensures that every item entering the warehouse is accounted for and authorized. The admin can manage stock alert levels for every product. This acts as a critical indicator, automatically flagging items that are running low and need to be reordered or restocked before they run out. To further secure the inventory, the admin can toggle the manual stock entry switch. When turned on, manual adjustments are permitted for inventory control. However, turning it off enforces a strict PO-only policy, meaning stock can only be increased through a verified purchase order process. Next, the admin manages the suppliers list. It is crucial to ensure each supplier's profile includes a valid email address, as the system uses this to automatically dispatch purchase order requests. With settings in place, the inventory control team is ready. By accessing the purchase order menu, authorized staff can create, track, and manage all outgoing orders. Transparency is key, so the system utilizes specific statuses. Draft, the order is being built but isn't finished. Finalized, the order is complete but awaiting approval. Pending delivery, the order is sent and we are awaiting the items to arrive. Received, statuses here can vary from complete to incomplete or received with additional items, ensuring the system reflects exactly what happened at the loading dock. When creating a new PO, simply select a vendor. The system intelligently suggests products that are currently out of stock or have hit their critical alert level, saving the team hours of manual checking. You can verify these suggestions by filtering the product menu by supplier. Once confirmed, you can add or delete items manually to suit your current needs, fill out the header information, and add internal notes. Saving the order places it at the top of your draft list. To move a purchase order out of the draft stage, we simply open the edit screen. You'll see two primary options, Finalize and Email. Using Finalize saves the record internally without contacting the vendor, while Finalize and Email completes the order and instantly transmits the formal request to the supplier. You also have the flexibility to export a PDF or print a hard copy for your records. For this demonstration, we will select Finalize and Email and click Confirm to trigger the automated notification. Looking at the supplier's inbox, they receive a purchase order request with the PDF attached for review. They can reply directly to that email. These responses are visible to the assigned branch staff, allowing for seamless communication and coordination of the order terms. The assigned branch staff can see the supplier's response within the branch email account, allowing for seamless communication and coordination. Once the supplier approves, the staff can quickly locate the specific PO in the system using the unique PO number provided in the email. After a final review, the PO is approved and moves to pending delivery. When the physical delivery arrives, the user opens the pending PO. Here, you enter the actual arrived quantity for each line item. This is where you account for any discrepancies between what was ordered and what actually arrived. Clicking the Receive button completes the process. The system automatically sends a final notification to the supplier with a received PO PDF confirming exactly what was accepted into stock. Finally, let's check our inventory. The system has automatically updated the stock levels based on the received PO quantities. Your inventory is now accurate, replenished, and ready for sale.